Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase Aquavelis water park tickets online. So if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long lines, you can go ahead and purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see right here down in the description of this video. Once you have opened up that link, it's going to take you to the official page right here on the official tickets website from where we can get started. So you're going to click the check availability option right here. That's going to enable you to take a look at all the available dates you can purchase the tickets for. So let's say I want to purchase tickets for the 11th right here. It's going to show me all the kind of tickets I can get. You have a regular ticket, junior or mini ticket. So I'm going to select one for me and then I'm going to click the next button. Once you've done so, it's going to take you to this page from where you can go ahead and take a look at similar experiences that you can go ahead and save money on. If you're not interested, just click no thanks and click next again to go to the next page, and here you're going to provide your personal details such as your first name, last name, phone number, and so on. Once you've done all of this, you can click the next button and it's going to take you to the payment page. It's going to open up this new menu from where we can go and take a look at all the payment methods that we have available to us. You're going to have Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. So once you've done this, you can go ahead and click on any one you prefer. So I'm going to choose the debit card option, and now I'm going to go and be able to fill out all the necessary info. And once I have provided my info, you can just click the pay button to make the purchase. And once you've purchased them, your tickets are going to arrive on your email address that you have used for registering your account. So there you have it guys. Go to the description of the video, find the first link you see, and it's going to take you to the tickets page from where you can get started purchasing them. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.